Hello guys, I'm back again. There's the African car guy, and today I have this MG ZS 1.0. It produces 110 horsepower with a 1-liter engine, very small engine. This is the car I'm going to review for the day. And what I do is I drive the car for a long journey, and within the long journey, what I see is what I say. Because for me, what I've realized is you have to be able to make a decision on buying a car on how it drives on a long journey. Whether it's a bit shaky on the road, it's not stable, or it's very stable on the road as well. And secondly, how it looks is how I do my reviews. So with this, I've driven about 150 miles to do this review, and after driving it, trust me, this car is shaky. I'm not surprised because it's made by a Chinese, so it's a Chinese brand. MG was an English brand, but they've sold it to the Chinese. So right now, yeah, I'm not surprised because it doesn't handle well for a long journey at all. Uncomfortable. It's all over the place on the road. Trust me, if you need a good car, don't buy this one. Okay, let's look. It looks nice though, but for me, let's finish. So there's it. MGZS Elite 1.0, 110 horsepower. This is how it looks. I've been driving it for the past 2 hours, about 150 miles, and this is what I've found. It doesn't handle well at all, but it looks good. This is a 2021. It's a 2020 model. Let's go. Very nice shape all around. Very nice shape. Yeah. Very simple looking. Very simple car. Let's check out the boot space. Yeah, very big space. It's like an SUV. It's an SUV to be precise, but very simple. Very big boot space. That's it. See, and there's the space for the spare wheels, but with these ones they don't add the spare wheels, they just add inflator, which is the modern trend, which is okay. Good boot. It's not an automatic boot, you have to close it by yourself. So let's close it. Yeah, let's go to the interior. Lock it, and that's it. Very simple interior, very simple. Look at that. And this particular one is on about 22,000 miles. Cheap plastic door cards. The dials are the old-fashioned ones. The steering wheel looks like leather, but I'm not sure. It's leather. Let me open the key. Comes with Apple Play as well. Let's check it out, but it's not responsive. It's not responsive at all. You see? It comes with Apple Play, but not responsive. Let's check out the back seats. Very spacious, but then it doesn't drive to me, it doesn't drive okay. I wouldn't drive this for a long journey. That's it. For all the cars that I've driven, this is the worst one on the long journey on the road. Yeah. Simple, nice, simple wheels as well. Nice, simple wheels. Let's check out the engine.
There she is.
The 1.0 engine. Let's check it out. Don't mind me, as always, I'm the only one filming, so there will be, I find it difficult to open the boots because I'm the only one filming. This is the 1.0 engine, very little engine, and it's a turbo, 1.0 turbo Elite. Guys, that's it. As I said, it doesn't drive very well on a long journey. So guys, this is it. Let's settle for a quick drive and see how but for me, I've driven it for almost more than 2 hours, and it doesn't drive okay on a long journey. But with this car, I've seen a lot of people, it's a Chinese car, so you should know, I've seen a lot, and it's very cheap, yeah, for that matter. So people do buy it for taxis. It's all over the UK. I don't know about America, whether you can it's being sold there as well. So it's being used for taxi in the UK, and I heard it's very cheap. So that's it. For city ride, I think it's okay, but for a long journey, trust me, you will be disappointed. Very, very disappointing. That's all that I will say. So due to those issues, I will give this 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. I'll give it 5 out of 10 because I'm not impressed at all. I'm not impressed at all. Now, so Chinese, I think it's Siak Motors who owns MG now. You can do better because this car doesn't drive right at all, especially on a long journey. It's rubbish, total rubbish. So if you've made up your mind you're going to buy MG ZS, then trust me, don't buy a 1.0 engine, because I don't know, maybe the 2.0 one will drive better, or the diesel one, big engine one, will drive better. But for this one, trust me, you'll be disappointed. So guys, this is all that I can bring you for today. I'm out, and please don't forget to share and subscribe this content. For me to be doing videos for you guys, you know, you have to watch it and subscribe as well for me to be much inspired to do more for you guys. So guys, I'm going to leave you here. I'm giving this MG ZS 5 out of 10. I'm very, very disappointed. I should have given it 4, but I feel very sorry for it myself. So guys, see you on another video. Peace.